asset and liability. So it will be charged as depreciation, it will go. Right? Anyhow, regarding 116, ignore it for the time being. Okay, right. Very basic I gave. You may get number of doubts. Keep it with you. We'll discuss in detail. Obviously, that is a standard for 3 days minimum. 9 hours discussion. Correct? So then you will get full clarity. Not 3.5 to 4 days. Right. Chalo. Point number 5 of the BC definition. What is the point number 5 of the BC definition? This is the one. Foreign currency fluctuation or exchange, foreign exchange difference on foreign currency borrowing to the extent regarded as, correct now, to the extent regarded as borrowing cost. Yeah, this point. They have not tested, I told you, this is what you studied in CA Inter. I don't expect you to remember. Fine. So anyhow, listen carefully. Foreign exchange, go through the word, my dear. Foreign exchange difference. Yeah, I will allow you to copy here in the classroom. Listen, participate. Okay, first get it in. Then obviously you'll write it. I'll give time. Yeah, foreign currency difference on foreign currency borrowing to the extent regarded as borrowing cost. Okay, right. Listen carefully. Yeah. Now if you say, suppose one small example, a word ke liye one example is required. First example, right, on 1/4/2021, you took a loan in dollars, $10,000 liya from some US bank at the rate of 3% per annum. Correct. So why you went to US, sir? Why you went to US means Indian bank rate thoda ज़्यादा था, 5% था. 2% is not a small thing. Correct, na? 2% is like 67%. Correct, na? Difference 3 to 5. Big difference is there. That's why you went to US bank and you borrowed some money. Not a problem. Up to you. Now, right, that date when you borrowed it, $1 is equal to 70 rupees. Fine, because we do account in rupees. Correct. Conversion ke liye rate to chahiye. Right. Now what do you do, sir? Right. What is the loan? That loan is being used for the qualifying asset. Correct. Otherwise, everything would have been charged to P&L. Now the question is, right, what is the entry number? First, when you take the loan, cash account debit to loan account. Correct. $10,000 into 70, that is equal to 7 lakh. Correct? Right. Exactly. 7 lakh. Now, year end came. That is 31st March. Today rate is what, sir? Today rate is $1 is equal to 72 rupees. Yeah. 1st April to 31st March. 1 year. Dollar rate fluctuated. 2 rupees increased. No, first thing, are you supposed to pay interest or not? Interest accrued, na? Tell me how much is the interest? What is your interest amount? Calculator. Huh? 21,600. How did you get the 21,600? 7 lakh into 3% is wrong answer. 21,000 will come. That is wrong answer. We pay it in dollars or we pay in rupees? Dollars. If you take 7 lakh into 3%, where is dollar here? Correct. So $10,000 is the loan amount. $10,000 into 3% into 72. That is what? $300 you have to pay into 72. Our number is your cost. Now, first, is it a borrowing cost for me or not? Right. And that should be capitalized with qualifying asset because it is taken for qualifying asset. Hello, correct? Yes. Here there is no question. It is a borrowing cost and it is added to this. Now, when you take this, do you have a foreign exchange restatement loss is there or not? Correct, na? Receivables, payables are all are monetary item. Monetary item has to be restated. Restatement kar diya. Means gain or loss? Gain or loss? Sure. How loss? How much loss? Correct. Rate is increasing. Loan, you'll end up paying more loan. Correct. Now, more loan in the sense loss to me. Right. How much is the last amount done? 20,000. 600. Correct. 10,000 loan, 72 minus 70. Correct. Na? 10,000 into Correct? This is a monetary item. You are supposed to restate it. Loss is equal to E number 20,000. Now the question is, are 20,000 how to account for? Now read the first line, Nana. First line ek bar padho. Foreign exchange difference on foreign currency borrowing. Hello, correct? Right. Foreign exchange difference is how much? 20,000. Isn't it on foreign currency borrowing? Yes. To the extent regarded as borrowing cost. Correct? No? To the extent regarded as borrowing cost. That is the matter. To what extent? Up to 20,000 nahi hai. That's what. See, normally what we will do? Normally it would have been charged to P&L in general case. If it is a foreign exchange loss or gain, it will go to forex gain or loss account, which will be transferred to P&L. Hello, correct? Exactly. Now, correct? Now the question is, 20,000 should be, 20,000 is the foreign exchange loss. He said, to the extent bola. To what extent? Out of 21,600, 21,600 fully capitalized. That is what you have to correct. Now you remember little bit of AS10, AS11, 16. Okay, A16 may we discussed already. That is what. Assume. Now you have to take an assumption to decide how much out of 20,000 should be capitalized. Isn't it full 20,000 or part of it? Correct. So what is that should do? If borrowed in India, sir, we purchased. You borrowed it in India. Correct. Now borrowing cost would have been correct. Now how much would have paid actually? 35,000 interest would have paid because Indian borrowing rate that time was 5%. So 7 lakh into 5%, 35,000. Are you getting my point? Exactly. So 7 lakh, 35,000 you would have already borrowed. Correct. You would have paid if you had borrowed in India. And that would have been capitalized along with the qualifying asset. Correct? But here now, current situation, what are you incurring exactly? Tell me. 21,600 is interest cost. Loss also cost only, na? What name you call, how does it matter? Have you lost or not? Yes or no? So you have lost actually 20,000 rupees also. That's why I just observe now. So what do you say? What is my total cost? That is equal to borrowing cost of 21,000 and forex difference. Actually, you lost 41,600. What we trying to say? To the extent of 35,000 rupees, maximum to the extent of 35,000 rupees, you treat it as borrowing cost. Out of 41,600, 35,000 should be as a qualifying, borrowing cost. Remaining 6,600 should be treated as foreign exchange loss. That should be charged to P&L normal. That is the matter. If I had borrowed in India, I have not borrowed. If I had borrowed in India, 35,000 would have been added to the qualifying asset. Now you are trying to avoid it because you borrowed from outside India. Actually, have you lost? Actually, I lost more. Not 35, 35 above last kiya. But as per your normal standard, में क्या हो रहा है? Only 21,600 capitalization करो बोल रहा है. No, that is not correct. What are you supposed to do? What is the line, my dear? Ensure maximum up to the extent of 35,000 rupees, you are supposed to capitalize it. So total amount, what is that you are wanted to capitalize? Correct, na? Right. 21,600 is already capitalized. We already decided that is not a question at all. It is already decided. Hello, correct? So balance 35,000 you want to capitalize, na? Hello, correct? 35 minus 21,600. Correct, na? That should be 13,400 should be capitalized. How much is your foreign exchange loss actually? 20,000. Yeah, E 20,000 में 13,400 is getting capitalized as borrowing cost. Balancing figure is how much? 6,600. That will be treated as foreign exchange difference as per Ind AS 21. Right? Can you pass it? Two journal entries I want. Pass it. Borrowing cost का first 21,600 का entry pass करो. Qualifying asset account debit to cash or payable. Correct? Yes. Qualifying asset account debit to cash 21,600. Now next one. Qualifying asset account debit. How much? 13,400. P&L foreign exchange loss account debit 6,600 to loan, because it is related to loan should be increased. Na? Normally what you would have done? Forex loss account debit to loan account. Hello, correct? Restatement. Forex loss account debit to loan you would have increased. Now also loan increase hona, but out of that some portion should become qualifying asset and the remaining portion only will go to foreign exchange gain or loss. That's all. That is situation 2, 3, 4. 4 are there. All will be covered. Now observe. Yeah, we'll come to situation number 2. Observe carefully. Suppose Indian borrowing rate is 7%, not 5%. 7%. So if I had borrowed in India, how much would I have spent? 7 lakh into 7%, 49,000. Hello, correct? 7 lakh into 7%, 49,000. Now, same question. Is continuation. How much should be capitalized? Whatever you have incurred. Because your incurred is less than the correct. 41,600 minus 49,000 को क्या करना? Correct. Now you have not borrowed actually. Correct. Is it the actual cost? Actual cost is 41,600. 21,600 plus 20,000. Hello, correct? Exactly. So ensure maximum up to the 49,000. 49,000 is a maximum number. That is not the minimum number. Correct. So what have you incurred already? 21,600. What is this loss you have actually lost? Lost is 27. Correct. 27,000. Correct. But forex difference is equal to 20,000. So only to the extent of 20,000 you will be able to capitalize. What you incurred, that only can be capitalized, not the other things. Hello, understood? The other number gap is an imaginary number. If I had borrowed, when did you borrow? You didn't borrow only. That is to decide the extent purpose. Hello, correct? Right. So that is obviously out of 20,000, 100% is borrowing cost. There is nothing as a foreign exchange difference. Correct? Normal journal entry. Yes. Here entirely QA account will be 20,000 to loan account. Have you followed me? Can we go to situation number 3? Yeah. Situation number 3 is this. Now dollar rate is $1 is equal to 68 हो गया. Why 72? 68 also it can become ना. हाँ. तो 68 हो गया है तो correct ना. On 31st March $1 is equal to 68. Correct है. Interest is equal to how much? 20,400. Correct है. 20,400. Right. This is a borrowing cost and it will be capitalized. On that no discussion. But there is a foreign exchange gain. 20,000 rupees is a gain. Correct na? E to G gain ko what should I do? That means, do you want me to 20,400 minus 20,000 means 400 will be capitalized, or 20? I'll give you two options, right? Shall we do situation number option number 1, option number 2? You tell which one you want to do. You understood, no? Adjust it with the interest. I means 20,000. What will happen? Loan account debit to QA. अरे समझ में आ रहा है? Loan to QA means QA actual addition is 400. 20,400 minus 20,000 is equal to 400. Or no 20,400 को capitalize करो, 20,000 को take it to P&L. That is second option. 1 na 2 na? 1, not second. Both are not same. Lot of difference is there. Presentation ಜಾಸ್ತಿ. Presentation important. Loss also you have not incurred ideally, correct? No? Adjusted to borrowing cost. For option number one, many people are telling. Option number two, anybody? What ma? You say option number two? No, silent for the time being. Huh? Two, okay. Actually, two only correct. Why two is correct? One thing, cost means what you lost. Gain cannot be a cost. Borrowing gain cannot be there. Na? Borrowing kiya to obviously it should be loss only. Are understood? Borrowing say do you get gain? I borrow and I'll get interest. It's always, it should be outflow of money. Borrowing cost when you want to treat it. Correct? Na? The basic general thing I'm going by. When you want to treat it as a borrowing cost, there must be outflow of, that is loss or interest payment, or it could be anything. But you cannot treat it as a gain as a cost, no. You understood? No, gain should go to P&L only. 20,400 rupees will be capitalized with the asset. Have you understood what I said? Right. It cannot be, I mean, a gain cannot be a cost. Gain, cost means what you lost. Hope you understand. Cost means what you lost. You should be losing it. Losing ko I will tell. Correct. Na borrow kiya. I have to pay. I have to lose. Something comes. That is because of foreign exchange gain, I must have got it. Not because of loss. Correct? No, no, that is not correct. Hope you understood. Right. One more question. Yeah, situation number 4 also I told you. Na? Situation number 4. Ye dekho. Continuation to situation number 1. Okay. Situation number 1 is Y1. You capitalize 13,400 rupees. You saw just now. Correct na re? 20,000 में 13,400, 6,600 ऐसा कुछ किया. Not good. But Y2 में what happened? There is a foreign exchange gain of 10,000 आ गया. No, I'll give options. Don't worry. Right. Right. Option number 1, option number 2. Bolo. Shall I reduce it from the QA na? 10,000. No, the discussion is on 10,000. Shall I reduce it from the 10,000 or 10,000 shall I transfer it to P&L? E level they will not ask in the exam. But E level is very practicable, no? Correct, na? Any company, but if you learn only to that extent, then you will become obviously not useful to the company. Correct, na? All are possible. Possible probabilities only I am taking. Why will I take impracticable and impossible thing? It's useless. Bolo. First year it's just loan can be long term loans always. Correct now. And construction period is also 2 years is a very small number. Yes. So 1 year gain आ गया, 1 year loss आ गया, loss आ गया, gain आ गया. Obviously it will be like this. हाँ बोलो. P&L. बोलो. P&L adjust with QA ना. P&L ला का. Right. No, not correct. Not correct. You should adjust it with QA. Correct. Maximum to the extent you have already capitalized. Because last year when you said 13,400 loss हो गया, you capitalized it. 10,000 gain हो गया, gain आ गया, correct ना? That means actually you lost 3,400 ना? Real loss to you from the foreign exchange. Hello, correct? Real loss is only 3,400. Correct. इसकी loss है तो पक्का रिकॉर्ड करेंगे. Gain no. But here it is a different thing. First loss, next gain. Sir, उल्टा हो गया तो first gain, next loss. First gain already gone to P&L. Will not bring it. Okay, will not bring back. But if it is a loss, first loss you capitalized, then you are recovering that, then yes, we will take it from the QA only, will take it. Hope you understood. Yes, that is one. Yeah. Can you please, I mean, this may not be there in the textbook also. That's why better note down. One, yeah. In fourth situation, huh, remaining will be transferred to P&L. Correct. If the actual gain is not 10,000, 15,000 hai to kya karna? Up to 13,400 rupees, reverse to QA. Remaining 1,600, transfer it to P&L as a foreign exchange gain. That's all. Yeah, shall we go ahead? MI means monetary item. Monetary item. Huh? Mumbai Indians. Illa. Yeah. Writing something. Yeah. Take down quickly. Yeah. Yes, my dear. Note, note. Yes, my dear.